Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable multiple tilt gestures at once on Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and tap on the mouse right here. What we're going to do next is go to gestures, and here we have an option called allow multiple tilts. So we're going to go over and enable it. Now we're going to show the tilts in real time. These are all of them. So as you guys can see, we got the forward and the right tilt, we got the backward and left, and the tilts are just working. So you can spam two tilts at the same time, for an example, and nothing bad will happen because it just works that way. So that's how you guys can do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.